Hello, the following presentation was developed by Smart Team LLC. Smart Team is a technical partner of Autonomy focused on enhancing the capabilities of LiquidOffice to meet your business needs. This demo is for the PDF Reader custom task for LiquidOffice. PDFs will fall into three categories. The Acro PDF, which embeds an Acro form and multiple Acro fields. The second type is the Image PDF. This type of PDF is generated by scanners. Since this is an image, we are unable to perform OCR on this document. However, we can push this on to other OCR software such as Cardiff's Teleform. The third type is the text PDF. This is usually generated by third-party software or a printer driver. This type of PDF can only be extracted in one long text string. The PDF Reader is built by leveraging a third-party PDF Java library software. This is used to recognize what type of PDF it is, and this value will be returned to the process value attribute. The value that is returned will determine what process is used. The value returned in an Acro PDF will be a mapped listing of Acro fields and values. The text PDF will return a long text string. And once again, we are unable to do any OCR on the image PDF, so the value returned will just be the type. Let's take a look at the process we're going to be using today. The process contains three tasks. The first task is a form task. This is our e-form. The form task will be used to specify what location the PDF is currently in. The second task is the PDF Reader task that was built by Smart Team. If I open the task, you will see that there's a PDF Reader's property tab. Inside of this tab, there's just one field to specify, and we're going to be using the $attribute to dynamically recognize where the PDF file is located. So you'll see that in the e-form, we're going to specify the path, and then we're going to read that path to go locate the PDF file. This task is going to return two things. The first is the type of PDF, and the second is the values that are in the PDF. The third task is the script printing task. This is a user function that will print out values of the PDF that were extracted. So let's go ahead and start the demo. I'll go ahead and go to our web desktop and I'll log in. And we'll browse to our process. And before I open up that process, I want to show you the three types of PDFs we're going to be using. You can see that we have the Acro, the text, and the image PDFs, and they're all named accordingly. I'll go ahead and open the PDFs so you can see what data is on the documents. This is the Acro PDF. It's just a simple telecom form. And the text PDF just contains a string And here's our image PDF. So this was a document that was scanned in. Also, you're going to notice that I have a DOS window open. I have this open because I will be printing the values that are extracted from the PDF file to this DOS window. So let's go ahead and launch the process. The form will open and you can see that there is only one field to complete. So we'll just specify the file and folder location. And we're going to process the Acro PDF first here. And I'll submit the form, and I'm going to go ahead and go back to our DOS window. And as soon as it's submitted, we're going to start seeing the data come through. And here we go. Here's our attributes coming through. And you can see many of them are null. And the reason for that is just because the PDF that we processed was blank. But you can see that we did get all the fields. And you can see they're coming through in pairs. They're coming through with a name and a value. And the last attribute that you see listed here is the type. And you can see that it says Acro PDF. So let's go ahead and kick off the process again, and we're going to do the image PDF file this time. So we'll go back and specify our path in the image.pdf file. We'll submit it. And we'll go back to our DOS window, and you can see that it's already been processed. And we only came back with one attribute this time. And the reason for that is because it was an image, so we couldn't perform any OCR on the document. So the only thing that was returned was the type, and that was image PDF. So let's go back and kick off another process, and we're going to open our last PDF, which is the text PDF. So once again, we're going to specify the path and the file name, the text.pdf, and submit that to LiquidOffice. Go back to our DOS window, and this time we receive two attributes. In the first attribute, you can see that it's our text string. This is a text PDF that is printed by a PDF driver. And you can see that's what we have here in our PDF file. And the second attribute was the type. And it was also correct, and it says text PDF. Okay, so that's the demo. As you can see, it's very simple to configure, and it covers about 99% of the PDF types you're going to use. We also have other custom tasks we have developed, including a Word builder, an Excel builder, an Exchange connector, as well as a custom task for eFax server. I encourage you, if you have any questions or inquiries, please visit us at smartteamllc.com. Thank you.